What is going on, guys? It's about Rizdano. Welcome back to RdnRacing. Now guys, today's video is a bit different because we are here at the Singapore Diecast Expo. Got my buddy Sam Wong. We've got the exhibitor pass right here. And here's my booth. So today we're not going to unbox any cars, we're not going to review any cars. We have a booth for the next 2 days for this specific event. We've got my buddy Sam Wong here. It's going to be fun. Obviously I'll show you guys snippets because it's going to be a busy day. But we've got a short booth right here. Drifter summer as well. So the plan for today is just we're going to try to sell, we're going to try to meet a lot of new people. So these are the VIP people, the VIP entries that are coming in. So we've got a lot of people already. We've got John over there from Gabriel Cafe as well. But yeah, I'll just show you guys snippets throughout the entire day, and I'll probably see you later on. Got our buddy, Drifter D. He's been walking around, he's been vlogging. I will later appear in his vlog as well. And then so stay tuned. Stay tuned. Yeah. This guy is very close to 80,000 subscribers. Super pumped for that. And then next time it's 100,000, man. Soon, eh? So yeah, it's been a very busy day. As you guys can see, there's a lot of people coming up. There's a lot of people here, guys. So our booth was at the back. We're gonna take a little walk. Rizdano Toyz, you guys see the customs, Rizdano customs. Obviously everywhere Drifter goes, he's got fans. Brilliant. But what we are gonna do, we've got Bomber Diecast. Brilliant. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually visit Mizu Diecast because I wanna buy their t-shirt set that they've got. So let's go. So right in the event, we're gonna open this up. Because I want to see what I've always wanted to get one of these, but I didn't. So I'm going to put my face out here and so right off the bat, the first thing we've got is an amazing keychain. Check it out. I'm going to pull that out. We've got stickers and a t-shirt right there. By Sunday Club in collaboration with Mizu Diecast. Check it out. So the time now is 6:57 PM. We've been here the entire day. It's about 12 hours. It's been 12 hours. We've got Sam Wong right here. We've got Drifter D. And we are wrapping Mizu Diecast t-shirt. I want to show you guys a t-shirt, check it out. So both him and I, we are wrapping the exact same t-shirt. That's right. This is amazing. The design on this is phenomenal. So what we're going to do is we're actually on our way to the dinner with Matt Gabe. So we've got my partner, Sam Wong right here. You guys know Drifter D, Beyond Alvarez right here. Obviously the event, it's been magnificent, guys. I want to thank all of you for dropping by and saying hi. And for the couple of you that got me to sign your pieces, it's been an honor, it's been amazing. So we're on our way to our dinner right now, and I'll see you there. And we're about to enter dinner with Matt Gabe, he's our guest right here. We have got Bernard, we've got our buddy here, we've got Bomber Diecast inside as well. Yeah. And we're just gonna have a quick registration right here, so we can go in. So let's go. Obviously we are wrapping the Mizu Diecast t-shirt right here. We got customs from them for this event. I think they're all sold out as well. And that's the event car, and then that's the dinner car right there. Check it out. So this is a certificate of authenticity for this exact piece right here. Check it out. Obviously filming going on right here. This is something the Malaysians are waiting for, the Potong Saga, the first. Obviously you get it. I think this is the NFT. Check it out. Guys, it's day 2 of the Singapore Diecast Expo 2023. Time now is about 8:44 AM. It's still kind of early because there's no one here at all. But we actually came early to kind of start preparing the shelves. So that's exactly what we're gonna do. You guys saw, I don't think you guys saw, but the A86 is right here. Our booth is right there. Massive props to Sam Wong for actually covering it up right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna make our way to our own booth. We're gonna, I know it's for 8:45. We've got about an hour. So we're gonna prep. We're gonna prep up our booth first. We'll just chill for a bit. Wait for the aircon to be on as well. But yes, here's our booth. You guys have seen the booth yesterday. You guys have seen the huge amount of response we've gotten from everyone. It was amazing. But yeah, we're gonna go set up everything here. I'll see you guys in a bit. We are more or less prepared for our last day of the event. We've been giving a lot of stickers throughout the entire day yesterday. Obviously we filmed a bunch. Today is our last day here. We've got the table already. We've got our loose cars here. You guys know, I'm gonna sell my chase away as well. And right opposite us, we've got Daily Diecast. My bud Jordan right there. Always hustling. One thing I want to show you guys is Jordan's latest work, which is this. So this is a Daily Diecast official licensed car right here. And I'll be getting one of these because this is a must-have. Definitely 100% must-have. But yeah, from here we're gonna carry on. I'll see you guys in a bit. And before we continue, I want to show you guys this. So recently we had the Hotwheels Collectors Convention in Malaysia, and this is the convention car. We've got my buddy Jordan here. You guys have seen this video before. He's gonna ever so gently unbox the car for you, and he's gonna show us the amazing Supra. I believe it's a Supra, right?
Yeah.
So this is a Supra. So check it out. The paint job on it is phenomenal. Just check that white and blue paint job. Always so cool to see such a brilliant casting. You guys can see the Supra written at the rear as well. Check it out. Let me just, there you go. You guys can see the Supra right there as well. And the license plate that says MY405. But yeah, we're going to continue on. We're going to explore the entire Diecast event, guys. So this is our last and final day here. So let's go. And before we continue, I want to show you guys the custom work entries they have for this event for this year. And the amount of hard work is amazing. I think this is my bud Gabriel's piece right here. I saw it on his Facebook. Look at the DeLorean right there, guys. Check that out. And there's another DeLorean at the back as well. Brilliant. Look at what they've done with all different castings. We've got a 6x6 right there, a monster truck right there. Got one with a brilliant diorama piece right there. We've got a Mighty K. Obviously, you guys know Matt Gabe has an association with the Mighty K. This is brilliant. We've got a bunch. We've got the convention. I think it's a Japan convention car. Bunch of RLCs as well. This is the official Hot Wheels booth right here. We've got Dale Street right here. You guys know him. We've seen him before in the channel. We met him at the Malaysia Diecast Expo, if you guys remember. We're back at my booth. We are gonna get sales rolling for today, and I'll try to film here and there. See you guys soon again. Check it out, guys. We've got Matt Gabe right in front of our booth. We're getting to sign a bunch of cards. So if you guys didn't know, he's a designer. Brilliant. He's got a feature in the video, obviously. He's brilliant. See? I managed to bring him right in front of our booth. Obviously, my partner Sam Wong right here. We managed to sign that. Let me show you. Got this. So this is also Sam Wong's. And I got a Trueno because I think, check it out. This is for me. I think this is a brilliant casting. Obviously, Matt Gabe, the man himself. Brilliant. Thank you so much, man. Yeah. So time now at 6:24 p.m. I finally, for the first time in 2 days, left my booth. Look at my butt, drifted deep beyond Alvarez right here. What we're gonna do is we're gonna explore the entire place. And guys, I gotta buy some cars for the channel. And so what we're gonna do, we're gonna explore. I'll film a little bit as well. I'll see how it goes. Let's go.
So basically, I give a description as in doing a video.
Yep.
So basically, RLC. This is an RLC Mustang. Okay, I'm the only one.
You made a custom out on ILC.
The only one stupid enough to strip the paint and to repaint it.
go.
So basically, it's one coat of metal primer. It's the kind of metal primer that Warhammer figurines they use now. And after that, 2 coats of smoke, and then 2 coats of clear coat lah. And then the decals lah. So the decals are bought from the US. Yeah, sure. It's a business in Texas.
Check
Business
it
in
out.
Dallas, Texas. They print these decals.
So my buddy here, Gabriel, he won 3rd place in the custom.
Only third.
Third's amazing, guys. You should have seen the custom releases.
Yeah, there was
There's a lot of amazing customs, and he won 3rd place with this amazing Mustang right here. Check it out. And before we end off today, we are here at my buddy Jordan's shop right now. In 2 days, this is the first time I'm entering his shop. Although we are right opposite, but we've not had the opportunity to come by to say hi. He's doing his live stream right now. We've got Bernard right here. Brilliant. I'll show you his custom in a bit as well, because his custom is phenomenal, guys.
Thank you.
But yeah, the cars here are amazing as always. We're gonna hopefully try to get some cars for the collection for you guys. And I think that should more or less wrap up this Diecast Expo, this event for 2023. And from there, we actually just ended up packing up the place. We just had to tidy up everything. Me and Bjorn, we had dinner at McDonald's as usual before we made our way back home. But that kind of just wraps up my entire 2 days event here at the Singapore Diecast Expo. I hope you guys had a brilliant time. I had a phenomenal time, guys, and I thank all of you for coming down. But just like that, guys, this video's over. I'll see you in the next one, and I'm out. Peace.